Hi everyone! I'm here to show you how to use Bard, a large language model from Google AI. Bard can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. To use Bard, you first need to go to the Bard website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you can start using Bard by typing in your question or prompt in the text box at the bottom of the page. Bard will then generate a response. Bard can be used to improve your productivity in a number of ways. For example, you can use Bard to write emails and letters, create presentations, write code, translate languages, answer your questions. You can download documents from here. Bard is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. If you're looking for a way to improve your productivity, brainstorm ideas, develop plans, or create content, then Bard is a great option. I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.